And I need a fix, yes, I'm going down to the bits that I left uptown. And I need a fix, yes, I'm going down. Hey, I'm Mother Superior, jump the gun. Mother Superior, jump the gun.
Everybody, as you know, this is our 9th annual. It started off as the Autumn Arts Ablaze, and this park was just in its infancy. So 9 years later, we've had 2 almost washouts. We actually had this event nonetheless, so a lot of you came out to support that. I want to thank everybody for coming out here today, for making this special. This has really truly become a great Blacksmiths Festival because of all of you. This has always been a community event, so even though we have folks who have come from afar away, we thank you for coming here. But I want to continue to thank Sept and Neil and your group have really made this special. I think we love to see the students grow, and we do encourage them to go from the amateur to the intermediate because their skills are getting quite spot on. So I was talking about the universe, not just you, you know. You all know how good you are. But I also want to thank the Fitchburg Art Museum. They really became a full partner these past few years, and that has been tremendous because, as you know, the blacksmithing is great, but there's so much that comes out of it. There's so much artistic talent. So many things have actually arisen from this. A farmer's market, for example, that's just 4 years old. So seeing all of these things come out of the community because of an event like this has been truly tremendous. And of course, Ashla and Ashok, without a private business partner, without the money, they were very humble. You're going to open up those checks and you're going to be shocked at those amounts. It's a tremendous amount, thousands of dollars worth of prizes that they contribute from themselves each and every year to make this possible. So if I could just end this with a round of applause for Ashla and Ashok and the Pittsburgh Art Museum.